Greetings and welcome back to the Pocket Montessori shelf. I have some exciting updates to share with you. This is the Pocket Pegboard, which can help you to explore any type of work you would do with the pegboard from the classroom, including work with factors, multiples, squaring, and square root. It also comes with 2 modes depending on the work you are going to do. Right now, we are in cup mode, and it's called that because, with a tap, we can start adding cups for any work that needs a set amount of pegs, like factoring. I'll demonstrate this by finding the factors for 12. First, I'll add a cup by tapping the button, and now we have a units cup. Next, I'll pull up the ticket tray by giving this little tab a tap. Now I can pull out a ticket for 1 and for 2 and set them in the groove at the top. Tapping the tab for the ticket tray will slide it back in and away. Now we just need to fill the cup with pegs. That's as easy as tapping the peg button and tapping on the cup as many times as we need. The ticker on the cup will help you to keep track. Excellent! 12. To factor 12, we will start by building it out of the smallest number we can, besides 1. That's 2. I'll tap the cup to activate it, then tap by 2s until I have placed each peg in rows of 2, confirming that 2 is indeed a factor of 12. To explore 3 as a factor, I would do the same thing in the space next to this in the same fashion, but building in rows of 3. For advanced factor work with hierarchical pegs, all we need to do is tap the Add Cup button, and we can bring in pegs worth up to 1,000 each. You may have noticed the button that looks like a guide square. That is the quick square button, although it can do rectangles too. To use that for building polynomials, we just need to have our pegs ready in our cups. Tapping a cup to activate, then tapping the quick square button the first time will overlay a quick demo of how to plot. First the upper left, then the upper right, then the lower left. We can also exchange pegs by activating the cup we want to exchange from and tapping the exchange button. Follow the demo and you too can be plotting out squares like this binomial. I mentioned earlier that we are in cup mode. Down in the corner, you can see a button that says Free Mode. I'll just give it a quick tap and we'll enter an unrestricted mode of peg plotting. In this mode, there are no cups and no restrictions on the number of pegs you place, which means it is perfect for work such as multiples and squaring. How about a quick game of common multiples? I'll look for the common multiples of 2, 3, and 4. Then I can tap the green peg button and start building multiples. On the ticket tray, there is a small black bar which can be used to separate each multiple built. Just grab one and drop it in place and it will snap between the peg holes. You can also delete pegs in this mode by unlocking the peg button with a tap and then tapping on the pegs you want to disappear. Oh, and the square button works exactly the same in this mode, by the way. You will just need to tap on the peg color button you want first. Then follow the same actions as shown in the demo. Whatever type of work you might be ready to explore, you can do it with the Pocket Pegboard, right at home on the Pocket Montessori shelf at pocketmontessori.net. I'll see you at the shelf again soon.